Video on the quad, the LTZ 400. Got it all back together, a bunch of new parts on it. Runs all right. Yeah, let's fire it up and see how it runs. All right, not too bad. Starts up pretty easily. All right, let's take it for a little rip, see how she rides. So it runs and goes pretty good. Still got to do a couple little things to it. I got a bearing for the steering stem. A little bit of play when you wiggle the handlebars back and forth. I'm going to need to get new tires for the rear. Front one's still pretty decent. It was actually a washer that didn't come with it. It was a lot of, this thing was missing a lot of parts when I got it. Someone had just kind of, I don't know, half-assed the whole thing back together. It was missing all the pins and everything that held the plastics together. So I changed the shifter. I did a million things to it. It runs and rides pretty good. It's definitely not as powerful as a 450, but it's pretty good low end. I would say the 400EX feels a little smoother when you're going really slow. This thing you got to feather it a little bit. But yeah, all in all, it's a pretty good quad. I took it out for a ride already. Probably went like 10, 15 miles on it. Did pretty well. No issues with it. I don't see any leaks. It's not overheating. Still got to fix a couple little things here and there, but for the most part, she runs pretty good. Just got to give her some maintenance here and there, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. I think I made out pretty well with it. I think I got it for like $1,100, $1,200. Maybe I put a total of $1,000 into it, plus labor. But at least this way I know I have something that's decent. I took the whole engine apart, so I know everything inside was done correctly, not half-assed back together. So all in all, it's a decent quad to go screw around on, have some fun on. If you're looking for something that's fun on the trails and the pit, this is a pretty good all-around machine. Z400.